Huawei is set to launch the Enjoy 70X, the latest model in its Enjoy 70 series, on January 3rd. This mid-range smartphone introduces notable improvements, including Huawei's Kirin 8000A 5G processor. The first image shown above highlights the key features of the Enjoy 70X. This is the first look Huawei Enjoy 70X, a circular camera module on the rear panel with a distinctive star ring design. The camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor with a 2MP macro camera for close-up shots and an 8MP front camera for selfies. Storage options are likely to range from 128GB to 512GB, paired with 8GB of RAM to handle multitasking efficiently. The device is rumored to feature a 6.78-inch display and 10-bit color depth for accurate color reproduction. An under-display fingerprint scanner. The phone will likely use a 6000 mAh cell and a 40W fast charger. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.